Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our learning and analysis for the 14th and 15th of December 2023. Let me share my screen with you and let's get going. So this is a Forex Factory calendar, and you can see that today we had news. Let me go on to the pen, and we had 1:30 news. All the news was positive. This is a UK time. So we expect gold to go down, but see what happened. That's why probability is very important when trading. The gold should be going, according to the news, gold should be going down, but it didn't. Sometimes there's a manipulation as well in the market. And so what happened? To go 1 hour chart, market did go down a little bit, but not much at 1:30. Let me go half an hour chart. As you can see, then 1:30 here, and market went down, spiked up, and keep moving to the upside. I'll explain to you in a bit why, but let's first look at the zones. Let me remove these lines. As you can see, this Tokyo zone and this low and high of Tokyo zone, and this Asian zone, in fact, that's better term probably. And you can see that this Asian was broken to the upside. And in London session, the liquidity was taken. In New York session, in fact, this combines New York opening. Liquidity was grabbed, and the market went to the upside. And then we had London high, and Tokyo high was almost same. This is Tokyo high and the London high as well. So it was broken down to the upside. Let me close these sessions. You can use this indicator from Tradingview. Now, the market, according to the news, as I said, should come down, but it didn't. So first of all, we have to look into the different factors. Go to the higher time frame. As you can see, the monthly is bullish, and it is month still. Still our month is half closed, so we can't decide on the basis of monthly. Let's go to weekly. In weekly, we have this rejection candle because this, as you can see, this level was broken. This level was broken in weekly. Let me put a box here, then we'll have a better picture. As you can see, this level was broken. And give me 1 second, I have a trade running and right. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. So this was broken, and we had retracement. So what we according to this, what we accept, this was a retracement retest after the breakout, and according to weekly, we should go up. Is that right? Yes. However, as soon as the prices was at 1977, a lot of people thought, oh, the market may go down further. But do not forget this wick. As soon as this wick is formed, then which was yesterday, then we should it come to our mind that market may go up. So we have to combine with other probabilities. What are the other probabilities? Let me show you. The first one, Dixie is moving down very sharply. Look. So there's the ongoing war at the moment as well. So that's in another probability. And the Dixie is going down. So we expect the Dixie, this is the next level for Dixie. And see the huge, if you put a fib level here and you can see this, this golden ratio was broken. And we expect more to at least to this level, 0.786 level of Fibonacci, next level, and then this one level. So that's in Dixie. Also, Dixie has this divergence as well. In fact, let me go into 4-hour. This divergence and the market fell down, which that fell down up to here. And next, let's go to 1 hour. And what happened on 1 hour? Look at RSI. RSI broke this level, retested it, and the market came down. If I put the lines here, that will be probably more clear for you to see. See, on the retest. So you can do the look in smaller time frame. This is the picture. So depending on how you read RSI, there's different methods. On the break and retest of RSI, you can get good trade as well. Just combine the market structure with it, and you will have higher probability. Right. Now, going on to the gold, let's see what's happening in gold right now. And that is weekly. And daily, that I showed you the daily Dixie and Dixie probability. Then I show you the weekly candle probability. Now I'll show you the fib level we already discussed yesterday. According to fib level, there was a chance of gold to go to the upside, and the candlestick pattern, this candlestick pattern went to the upside. So today, and this candle, bullish candle, according to that as well, no wick on the top, should go up. Although it's on a resistance level, however, we have to combine all the probabilities together to break this resistance. So that's fourth probability. And what else? What else, guys? Just think about it. Let's go into 4-hour chart and even 1 hour as well. Look this candle, how this candle has been made. Swept all the liquidity. And then the zone was broken as well. So about around at least six probabilities. So market went to the upside. Now what's happening in the market? This fair value gap here, it looks like gold will retest this and go to the upside. Why? Because Dixie is coming down still. And now also you can see the Dixie. Let me go into smaller time frame, maybe it's 15 minutes. We are already in smaller time frame. Dixie is going to the upside. So maybe Dixie will go here to its fair value and come down, and gold will start going to the upside again after testing this fair value gap. So we have multiple probabilities to the goal for the gold to be bullish, and we have structure of the gold is bullish as well. So hence we were in the buy trade. So now this is a retest basically. It's already broken this level. When we once this level is broken, and then next target probably will be around 20 this 2050 level onwards. Let me delete this. And if you want to go smaller time frame, you have more better view as well. And if you're scalping, you can have a good scalping in 5 minutes on the break of this level. There's a fair value gap and there's still opportunity to get some pips. So I hope this is useful. And as far as the next levels are concerned, I already discussed some levels yesterday, but let me go through with you again. This level is broken, the fair value gap. You're expecting market to go to the upside. However, as I just said, it's a retest in 15 minutes, market to the upside. So we will look for different opportunities according to the levels. So that's level. These are some levels which may be useful to you guys. So there's no hard and fast rule about the levels because sometimes there's a 50 or even 100 point different pips difference in levels depending on how the market moves. So what you have to do, you have to look for the confirmation if you day trading. Look for multiple confirmations and especially the candlestick and market structure, and then you will have the good trading idea. Okay, I hope this is useful and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.